Hello everyone, this is Indrajit Ganguly and I am your history teacher, and this is my first class with you in this virtual platform. Dear students, in this module I will give you brief description about the course structure, syllabus and important guidelines for class 11 history. So let's have a look into the details of the course structure and syllabus for the class 11 history for the session 2021 and 22. Now students, I hope you remember that the marks distribution in senior secondary level of history is 80 plus 20, right? 80 marks is for theory and 20 marks is for project, right? So there are list of projects for class 11 history in the CBSE syllabus. You can check and see the list of the projects. But don't worry about the project work. I will give you some of the important project lists and you can choose one of them for the preparation of the project. But remember students, project work is very important for the senior secondary level for history. Now ask me why. Because if you score maximum marks in project work, then you can score as much as from the history paper. So remember, project work is very important for this level. Now in your project work you have to prepare a project, right? And the project work should be exhaustive and it should be informative. Along with, you should prepare Viva and you should prepare some of the important questions for this project work and the chapter you choose for the project work, because Viva examination will be conducted on the basis of the project. So project work and Viva will become 20 marks for class 11 history. So remember students, please think about it and please remember my words for the project works. Now about the 80 marks. I hope you know that for 80 marks CBSE this year split the 80 marks portion, right? In this year there will be two term examination. First, that is term 1, which will contain 40 marks, and second, that will be term 2 examination, which also contain 40 marks. So 40 plus 40, that becomes 80, and 20 marks project. So in this way it becomes hundreds. Correct? So now you can see this is the syllabus of the term 1 examination, which contain or which carry 40 marks. You can see there are 4 chapters. What are the 4 chapters? I hope you downloaded the syllabus earlier, but if you don't, please download the syllabus from the CBSE site, that is cbseacademic.nic.in. Okay, now you can see these are the 4 chapters are there, that is for the term 1 examination. And remember students, your term 1 examination will be held in the month of November, probability in the month of December. Okay, so these are the 4 chapters. You can see the chapters are Theme 2, Writing and City Life, Theme 3, An Empire Across the Continents, Theme 4, Central Islamic Land, Theme 6, the 3 Orders. And all the chapters carry 10 marks each. So these 4 chapters, 10 marks each, it becomes 40. Correct? So these are the course structure for term 1 examination, which will be held in the month of November. Clear? Okay. Now what will be the question pattern? What will be the scores? What will be the question pattern? How will you prepare for this? I will discuss with you in these things about in my live classes. Now next you can see this is the course structure for term 2. You can see there are also 4 chapters. Theme 7, Changing Cultural Tradition. Theme 9, the Industrial Revolution. Theme 10, Displacing Indigenous People, and finally Theme 11, Paths to Modernization. Just like the previous term, you will see there are 10 marks each for each chapter, and later on it becomes 40. So 40 will become the term 2 examination, which will probably held in the month of March. So these 40 plus 40, it's become 80 marks. So this will be the course structure for term 1 and term 2 examination. So 40 plus 40, 80, and finally it will be 20 marks. So students, I will give you lots of details description about these history, about the curriculum and important guidelines for history. So you must attend all my Google Meet classes, and I will discuss with you and I will give you detailed descriptions about this course curriculum. So this is it for today. Please subscribe my channel, then I will make you some of the interesting videos related to these topics from the next classes. Thank you and have a nice day.